Building communities on your EzyCourse platform is really straightforward. There's a whole section for communities. You can see on this site here, I've got 2 communities. I'm going to take a look at this one here and just edit it so that you can see the information that you need to set up a community. Now we're going to dive into a lot more detail about building communities in another course, but just as an overview, you can see here, I give the community a name, give it a description, upload my images. There's all sorts of settings I can change in terms of who can post on the community and who can access the community. And there's all different things at the bottom here that we can update. And as I say, we go into more detail on this in other courses. But let's now have a look at what this looks like from a user perspective. So once a user has logged in, they can go to their dashboard, and right at the top, there's a link for their communities, also in the side menu here as well. Now, if I go to this community, you can see it's a very familiar social media type environment. People can post on the community depending on the rules that you've set. They can see other members, and what's really cool is you can break content into different channels. So a channel can be a topic area, so you can divide the community into manageable chunks. What's really interesting is you can sell channels individually as well. So maybe you've got a free community, but then there's some premium channels that people have to pay for. As I say, we go into a lot more detail on communities and building communities in other courses, but for now, hopefully that's a great overview. Such a powerful feature is the communities on the EzyCourse platform.